Hi, I'm Chris Florence Romero, and this is my partner, Archel Argawanon. And we are from the student of Holy Trinity Academy to teach you what is the basic tools of Adobe Flash Animation. So let's start. So first, we have selection tool. So what is selection tool? Selection tool is selecting whole objects and moving them. Then second is sub-selection tool, selecting portion objects like this one. Then the third one is free transform. It scale, rotate, and skew an object like this. And the fourth one is lasso tool. It's selecting irregular shaped pieces of an object like this one. And fifth is a pen tool. Pen tool is drawing non-straight and curved line like this. And sixth is text tool, inputting a text box onto stage like this. And the seventh one is line tool. Line tool is drawing straight lines. And the eighth is shape tool. By default, draws rectangles. Rectangle. Then the 11th is fill tool. Fill tool is change the and the next is eraser. Use a brush to erase parts of an object. Then next is hand tool. Move the stage around it if it is not all visible. Then move. Then 15 is zoom. Zoom in or out. You can zoom it by in and out. Like this one. And that's it. Thank you. And now we will give you an example of how to create classic twin. So first we will, this is we will make a circle and paint it black. So then after it, insert keyframe in 50 that will move along. Then after that is drag and where you want it to be placed. Then from the beginning, then play, and it will run. Then
You want to
and if you
bounce.
and if you want to go from another place. Then place it from 150 and you decide where you want to go, and after that it will just run.
And now we create a stickman and now we create a stickman. Remove frames and then we use paintbrush tool and then create from by body feet and hand. And we select all and deselect all.